Hi everybody, this is Sam with Python Basics, and we are going to learn about docstring or documentation string. So alright, and you might say, well, what in the world is that? This right here is a docstring. It's information given to the end user to make sure that they understand what it does. So let's create a quick little function right here. This will say hi. Close it out. Print hello. Close it out. Boom. Save and run. And helps if I finish this out and I have way too many. Alright. Okay. So when I call greeting, when I open up my parentheses, it's going to tell me all the information. So whatever information, whatever guidelines, as we understand about arguments, and you always want to give clarification and state what it is. So I just wanted to give a quick little introduction to docstrings, and going forward, every single function that we do here going forward, we will include our documentation string and ensure that we will explain our function, because before we've taken in variables and arguments and done things with them, but we've not made them clear to what they are. And this is always a very good practice, and also for other users who may use your code to build other parts of the function or other parts of the program. So this is very, very important, and we're going to be starting to do this going forward. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to click that like and subscribe button, and most important, that notification bell, because we do have videos coming out every single day. And thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time. Bye guys.